I'm Attorney Nick Alcock. I'd like to speak a little bit about blood retesting. And if you've been pulled over for a DUI and they took your blood, they take 2 vials typically of blood and they preserve them, and they actually make those vials available to defense attorneys for testing later. Now, there are a lot of cases when you do not want to retest blood, and there are some attorneys out there that will never ever retest blood. And that's their prerogative. But I've noticed that there are some cases where if you are close to the legal limit, say you're close to a .08, or you're close to an extreme DUI, or close to a super extreme DUI, and a lot of time has passed, what we do in some cases is we're going to retest that blood, and we're going to see whether or not the blood will come back under the legal limit. One thing that I've noticed is that many times the blood will come back a little bit lower, and speaking with our experts, that has to do with the way that the alcohol in the blood solution will sometimes leach out of the blood and go into the headspace of that tube. When they pop the tube, a little bit of alcohol is leached out, and the blood comes back a little bit later. The other thing is that we noticed that the machines that they use, what the police use, are not 100% accurate by any stretch of the imagination. And their calibration doesn't have to make them 100% accurate. They can actually have a very big margin for error. So you don't have to take the police officer's blood testing device as the rule of law. It doesn't have to be the end of the story. And so we'll retest the blood in some instances. It definitely is a case-by-case basis, and we have found in cases where we can get a blood retest under the legal limit or under an extreme DUI or a super extreme DUI, that really changes things, and it can change a plea offer and really affect somebody's life. So if you have a question about blood retesting, 602-989-5000. 602-989-5000 is our number. My name is Nick Alcock. I'm happy to help you. Thanks so much.